Hey, official Money Pill family! As you all have seen in the previous videos, we bring extraordinarily unique and easy ways to help you start making money online on the go. Out of all methods, this is one of the easiest ways to make money online without selling. With this method, you don't need to build a website or create a channel on YouTube. To be exact, you don't need any social following or audience whatsoever. All you need to make money with this method is to follow the steps. Remember, in a few simple steps, as I will show you every step in detail, so at the end of this piece, you will be able to start earning money later. I will also show you how to make more money with different websites and double or even triple your earnings. Our today's video focuses on generating income from Google News. If you think this method doesn't work or have failed by trying this method, don't worry, sit back and watch the full video. Step 1. Go to Google News and find trendy articles. Most people who couldn't make money with this technique simply go to Google. Then they go to the news section. Take the trending articles from there and merely rewrite and publish them. This takes a lot of time, and there are higher chances that you will not get featured on Google, as the algorithm of Google easily detects rewritten or paraphrased content. So this doesn't sound like a great strategy. We will use a different strategy, which will be time-saving as usual, and you will just have to click a few buttons. So you have to go to Google and write down the topic regarding any niche you like or you feel people would like on social media. Let's say we type "Make Money Online News." Then we will go to the news section, and there we will look for news that seems to be trendy to you or you think people on social media will like. Here we are selecting "Make Money on TikTok" as this seems to attract many people's attention. We are going to copy the URL of this news, and that is the end of the first step. Step 2. Make use of Snipley. Snipley is not a famous website, but it has pretty cool features, since a few people know about it, so let's have a glance at it. Snipley is a social media conversion tool with which marketers can add calls to action, or CTA, to any page, as well as to everything they share, including links to articles. Snipley also allows users to share links, monitor engagement, and track results with link sharing and tracking analytics technology. Snipley is designed to help users increase conversion through content curation, customizations, data gathering, custom code, and integrations. Snipley supports several different types of CTAs, including buttons, form, text, image, and hidden. The button snip allows users to attach an engaging button, while the form snip enables users to connect an email capture form. Text snip supports hyperlinked text, while image snip allows users to attach a custom banner image. Users can add these custom calls to action to any web page to engage followers. Snipley's customization tools allows users to personalize snip themes, colors, and positioning, as well as customize domains and short links, giving its users control over the way the link appears. Snipley also supports data gathering technology, such as conversion pixels analytics and A/B testing. Analytics help users track and analyze their clicks and conversions, while conversion pixel features allow users to follow specific website actions. So that's enough about Snipley. Now the thing is, how are we going to use it? We will take the URL that we copied in the previous step, we will log into Snipley, and here we will paste the link and generate a call to action. There you can add the link of your affiliate or if you are offering any service. In this way, whenever anyone goes to Google News and reads that news article, they will have your affiliate or service pop up there, which automatically increases the chances of purchases and signups. Step 3. Repeat the cycle. Now what you have done with one page, you will have to do the same thing with various other pages or news articles, because when you have pop-ups for more pieces, then you will obviously have more traffic on your services or affiliates. Further, you can also share the Snipley link on other social media platforms as well, so when they click that link, and they will be directed to Google News article with your pop-up. Moreover, let me clarify one thing, that all of these techniques that you have seen up till now is a manual work. You might not be shocked to know that you can automate most parts of this work as well. But automation is not a simple thing, and it requires effort in the beginning before you actually learn how to do it. So you better don't skip any part, because we are just about to begin the lesson for automation. Step 4. Go to Google Alerts and create an alert. For this step, you will go to Google Alerts and click Create an Alert. Then you will be given a few options which you will choose based on your feasibility. The options will be like how often you want these alerts and etc. Let's suppose you are opting for updates or alerts on weight loss. Then you will set other options like language according to yourself. After filing all the options, the most important choice will be where to deliver the updates. In this option, instead of getting it delivered to your emails, choose Pay RSS Feed. This will provide you with a button. Upon clicking that button, you will go to the RSS feed. These pages will look like a professional coding program, but don't worry, that is just an RSS feed. The links you will be seeing are actually the posts composed of your niche, which is weight loss in this case. Now you will have to plug this RSS feed with a tool such that the agency takes the post from here and automatically posts it with the chosen frequency, maybe 3 times a day. Step 5. Use Snipley to create a link to the RSS feed and automate that link with Zapier. To streamline user workflow, Snipley provides a range of integrations and extensions with Hootsuite, MailChimp, Zapier, and more, as well as a comprehensive API. Besides this, Snipley also offers custom tools, retargeting pixels, custom tracking, CSS, and scripts. Now, this step is a pretty complex step, so you will have to be very careful while listening to this. The RSS feed that you just got from Google Alert contains a lot of posts, and you will take that RSS link URL and go to Snipley and do the same this you did previously. You will paste the link on Snipley and add a call to action in which you will add your service or affiliate link. In this way, whenever anyone goes and opens any of the posts of the RSS feed, your pop-up will automatically be visible to them. Now, the second phase of this step is to plug the RSS link with a tool called Zapier. Zapier will automatically post the updates present in the RSS feed. All you have to do is go to Zapier, select Create Zap, like RSS feed, and then paste your RSS feed link. Then it will run a few tests, and after successful testing, it will give you the platform's option where you want automatic posting, either Facebook, Twitter, or any other. Surprisingly, you can even choose groups or pages you want to post on with customized messages from Zapier. So let's suppose you select Twitter for automatic posting. Then it will generate a few posts and post them on Twitter. And anyone who clicks on that link will be directed to the post that was present in the RSS feed. And simultaneously, they will see your pop-up as well. In this way, you can sell services, affiliates, or even a giveaway. So, as you have clearly seen in the video, how easily you can generate revenue from Google News that you probably didn't even think of. As a matter of fact, that this video contains both manual and automated way. Now it totally depends on your preference and to choose the one you like the most. The computerized version is a little bit tricky and confusing. However, once you learn it in the right way, then it's a piece of cake for you. On the contrary, the manual method is pretty simple as usual, but that does require your efforts and time as well. So choose wisely. That was it, guys. I hope this helped. Subscribe to our channel Official Money Pill to view more such content. Please support us by sharing this video so it helps us with YouTube algorithm. See you all in the following video. Thank you. Take care.